Good morning children, welcome back. Today we are going to see chapter number 8 in English Honeysuckle. Chapter title is A Game of Chance. A game of chance is a lesson about playing games which is related to winning lottery and playing for your future. The game which could earn you a lot or which could give you nothing. Okay, so let us see in detail regarding a game of chance. So it is a lesson about a village where every year during Eid they were having a fair in that village. So normally Eid was celebrated for one day, but fair was continuing for number of days over there. And in this fair there were so many shopkeepers, the tradesmen, who used to come there and bring different kinds of goods to be sold. They were having goods from pin to a big buffalo. It is given in the lesson. They were selling all the different kinds of goods over there. So one day, a boy called Rashid, along with his uncle and one more boy called Bhaiya, three of them went in the fair. So over here, uncle directed Rashid and Bhaiya, one more boy, to stay in the fair, to roam there in the fair. After some time, friends of uncle, his uncle's friends came over there. Then uncle asked Rashid to give them some time to talk, and he requested Rashid to look after the fair along with Bhaiya. And also uncle ordered Rashid neither to purchase anything from the fair and nor to go too many far. Rashid promised to his uncle, okay, I will do so. And both of them, Rashid and Bhaiya, both of them, they went in the fair. They went from shop to shop. They saw so many things. Also Rashid got feeling of purchasing different kinds of things which were there in the fair. Then they came forward towards a shop called the Lucky Shop. It was a shop of playing game, and the shopkeeper want everyone to try their luck. Yes, regarding how much they can earn. They could earn a lot or they can earn nothing. So, in order to play this game, one has to pay 50 paisa and has to collect discs over there. There were total 10 discs, and every disc was marked with numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in this way, and it was kept in downward position so no one could see the number. And after paying 50 paisa for the playing game, one has to select any 6 discs from the given randomly, and after collecting the disc, one has to see the numbers and has to make total of the all the digits which were over there, and the total comes. What is the total? That will be compared with the article number or the goods or the gifts which were kept in the shop. Okay, and they were given particular numbers accordingly, and the number which we get totaling the disc, they were compared with the product which were given the numbers, and the number matches means the gift is yours. So in this way the game was played in that Lucky Shop. So when Rashid and Bhaiya, both of them were seeing, or both of them were standing near the shop, and old man came over there, and he also paid 50 paisa to play the game. Then he collected 6 discs from there, and then after that he has to total the number, and he totaled and the number showed as 15. The total was 15, and according to that number, the good or the product or the gift which was kept over there, it was a beautiful clock. But the old man did not like that clock. So what he do? He asked the shopkeeper to take the gift back and pay him cash in return. So the shopkeeper has done in that way. He purchased the clock for 15 rupees from that person. Shopkeeper took the clock back, he took the gift back, and he paid 15 rupees to the old man. Then after that, a boy came over there. Okay, that boy also tried his luck. He also paid 50 paisa, collected the discs, and after totaling what he won, first of all he won a combo. Okay, which was for 25 paisa. Again he played the game. Second time he won a fountain pen, which was around 3 rupees. Then third time he played the game and he won a wristwatch, which was of 25 rupees. And then furthermore he played again for the fourth time, and that time he won a table lamp, which was around 10 rupees. And after that he stopped playing, and all the things he returned to the shopkeeper, and in return to that, shopkeeper paid him a good amount of money, and that boy went. After seeing these two persons, the old man and the young boy, Rashid got motivated. He also got interest in playing the game, and he also wanted to try his luck and wanted to earn a lot in that game. So he asked to the bhaiya who was with him, "Shall I play?" He also motivated him. "Yes, you should play. You can win a lot." Then he paid 50 paisa over there and collected the discs. Then he made the total, the numbers which were over there. After totaling that, what he won? He won 2 pencils. His luck was not very good. He just won 2 pencils of 25 paisa. Second time again he tried his luck, and second time what he won? He won ink bottle, for which the shopkeeper paid him only 25 paisa. Then he got irritated. I am not having good luck, and what I am doing this. Again he thought in a positive manner, let me play one more time. Okay, now this time he was having the last or the final money, and that was only 25 paisa remaining with his. After playing so many times, he only won a trifle. Trifle means gifts which are having very lower value products. Okay, like 25 paisa, and so on. So the only money which he was having was 25 paisa, and finally he took again a chance and he played the game. But what happened? He did not won anything. The only money which he was having, he lost that also. After losing that money, he became very sad. People who were standing near the shop, they started laughing at him. They make joke of him that he has lost all the money which he was having. So after that, both of them, Rashid and Bhaiya, returned to the place where his uncle dropped them. After when uncle came, Rashid was unable to tell him the thing, that what has happened. But Bhaiya told all the story, that we had played this game and Rashid has lost all the money which he had. Instead of scolding him, uncle smiled and patted him on his shoulder and took him towards one shop, and uncle purchased for him umbrella, some biscuits and some sweets very happily. And when both of them, uncle and Rashid, went back to home, uncle told him that regarding the game, has told him, forget about the thing which you have done, because it was a foolishness of you. Rashid said, "No, uncle. I have seen there were two persons, one old man and a young boy. They won a lot of money in the game." Then uncle explained him in very good manner that, "See, boy, it is not about chance, or it is not about because Rashid said to his uncle that, uncle, it was my bad luck that I lost all of my money." Then uncle explained him, it is not like bad luck or good luck. Okay, it is the thing was that the shopkeeper has played a trick upon you. The two persons, old man and the young boy, was none other but they were his own friend. Okay, all of them played a game before you to encourage you to play that game, to invest your money in that game, and finally, what was their intention? They completed that, and your money they have taken to them, and you are lost all the thing in that particular game. So, in this lesson, it is shown that there is not like good luck or bad luck. So, what is important over here? Here, it is shown our cleverness, in what way we do our activities. So, that was there in the lesson. Okay, thank you.